One day strategy for physical education ICC class 10 board exam. Today I'm going to talk about full preparation, revision, PYQs, everything related to physical education in just one day. So let us begin now. So first of all, starting from the format of physical education board exam. What type of questions, in which sections, and how many type of questions came? Section A. Section A में सब कुछ पूरा 8 chapters वाला part आता है, which are the subjective type and all those questions. Okay, so you have to keep focus in the morning only on the 8 chapters जो कि आपके starting part में होते हैं. Okay, after that what you have to do in that is first of all half an hour में एक chapter complete करो reading part. Obviously बात है बहुत कम time लगेगा because they are so small chapters कि बहुत कम time में हो जाएगा. कुछ chapters तो just 10 minutes में complete हो जाते हैं for reading part. Okay, after that move towards your PYQ section. As always you have to do SPQ of 2025, PYQ of 2025 and SPQ of 2026. These three for common purpose. Now if you have sample papers of other any EduCard or OSWAL book, so you can go with that. But in common you have to do all these three only. About after PYQs, what you have to do? Solve some other questions, or if you want important questions, so those are coming on this channel or gap days. Okay, so just stay tuned with me for that. Okay, you have completed your all 8 chapters along with its reading part and the PYQ. You have done with section A. Now you have to solve one real time PYQ for section A only. Okay, 50 marks का रहता है, so you have to solve them within 1 hour. Okay, क्योंकि आधा जैसे 2 घंटे होते हैं तो half an जो time है हमारा 1 hour that you will give to your section A. Okay, now moving towards section B. ये जो section A वाला part है you have completed this in morning itself. One day strategy की अगर हम लोग बात करें तो. Okay, now moving towards the section B, which is very important जो क्योंकि that is difficult as well as that covers lot of marks. Okay, so let us talk about terminology for both the chapters. You have already selected the two sports. Okay, if you have selected volleyball and badminton, so I can provide you with the notes. If you want the notes for those both chapters, so you can comment down below notes. Okay, I will provide you at my community post or telegram. Now when talking about how to do that, so first of all, as I have told you in this video, that you are going to cover all those chapters or all those sports की जितनी भी terminologies है in the next few days that are going to come before your physical education board exam. Okay, so you have to do all those things before that. So in that I have told you that you have to give physical education 10 minutes for terminology reading. ठीक है, अगर आप लोग अभी से बी एग्जाम की लास्ट डे तक 10 मिनट्स भी टर्मिनोलॉजी को लर्न करते हो फिर सिर्फ रीडिंग करते हो, यू विल लर्न द टर्मिनोलॉजी लाइक अ प्रो. सच्ची में बता रही हूँ, सीरियसली ऑनेस्ट जो है टिप बता रही हूँ आप लोगों को. ठीक है, सो प्लीज बी केयरफुल हियर. Now if you have already completed with your terminologies, okay, so only what are remaining are first of all history of both these sports, and secondly the equipment part and the measurement, all those parts, field का measurement and जो equipments होते हैं उसका measurement, so that thing. So these both things you have to do in one day strategy. Okay, ये one day strategy में कर लो, and whatever questions, whatever type of questions are coming from those kind of topics, so you have to do those only in the PYQs part. And when talking about terminology, so you can leave them for now, but after doing all the terminology before the PE exam last day, okay, so you have to solve the questions for terminology at that day. Okay, that's done. You have completed with your section A as well as your section B here only in just one day. And trust me, this works a lot because PE is such an easy subject. It comes with lot more marks with less chapters, so don't be worried in that. This is very scoring and this is very nice subject. And if you have computer, commercial applications or any other subjects, so I can't give you advice for that because I haven't studied those subjects at my school, so I can just give you advice for physical education. Okay, now let us move towards what you have to do at last, because everything is completed. Section A completed, section B completed, full chapters. Okay, now what you have to do after completing all those things. Education is not about only studying for one time. You have to keep studying it. You have to revise it every 1 or 2 days. Okay, in gap days I'm going to talk about most important and most likely chapters which are going to come in your 2026 board exam, so stay tuned with me for that. And this is all about today's video, one day strategy for physical education ICC class 10. If you liked it and if it helped you, so please subscribe to the channel and like to this video, share to your friends and comment down below that what you want next. And yes, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.